so you want to sell at a craft fair. Here's how to go from idea to your very first sale. Start with one product you genuinely love making. Keep it simple and make it really, really well. Give it a brand, a name, a logo, a vibe. Design clear signage so people instantly know who you are. Plan your display so your table looks inviting and tidy. Now set up social media for your little brand. Post what you make and where people can find you. Then share it with friends, family, and local groups. Now get making, build up plenty of stock. Sort out payments, take both cash and card. A phone card reader and a cash float will do. Next, find a craft market that fits your style. Apply and keep applying until you get accepted. Before the big day, do a full test run at home. Set up your whole table and practice your little pitch. Then tell absolutely everyone exactly where you'll be. On the day, arrive early and set up with care. Then just smile, say hello, and sell. You've got this. Now go make it happen.